friends, welcome to my channel. Keep up with the kindergarten. I am teacher Sujata. Welcome you all. Those who are new, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you can keep on watching my video. Here in this video, we will talk about cursive patterns. We know there are a lot of patterns and lot of strokes. But why cursive writing? Because cursive writing has some scientific impact. Because in this writing, it helps your handwriting improve, and each and every time when a child writes, they don't have to lift their hands off from the copy, so that they can finish the writing within less time. They know capital letters like uppercase letters. Now through these patterns, they will know the cursive pattern and the lowercase letters. Through cursive writing, I will tell them how to join the letters and form a word. There are patterns like when we see a book, we see the print letters that eventually they will learn. But I personally prefer children should learn the cursive patterns. I personally prefer some names so that you can teach a child with the names and it is useful for you also. Like first is over and back, roller coaster, cups, humps, little loops, big and little loops, and snake. These are my favorite patterns. Now I will show you how to draw these patterns to improve our handwriting skills, and you can teach your child to improve their handwriting too, because we love beautiful handwritings. And one more thing, while I am writing these patterns, I will tell you which pattern will help you with which letter writing also. Snake means like how the snake goes, like this way. J, F. This one, now this few letters are there which are a little bit difficult even though we learn the patterns. So this one though we have to practice. Now we will write the capital cursive and the small cursive also. So this is for today. Bye. Bye bye. I'm going. Bye. Hi. I am back. I'm back to say some few more words. I'm back again. I'm back to say few things. Like we are not only going to read the phonics and learn the cursive handwriting, we have to do some more extra activities like a storytelling also. And whenever you narrate a story to a children, you should use a prop. You should use a prop like this. Okay, so see you soon and thank you today, and please comment and please subscribe my channel and like. Bye bye for today. Bye.